After years of legal battles, a Texas company has been cleared by the federal government to post 3D printed gun designs online.
How opponents argue dangers of the firearms, while supporters view the tech as a modern equivalent of what's already legal and available.
8 News Now reporter Brittany Edney sat down with a gun expert to discuss mainstream safety concerns. Brittany?
Brian and Christiane, gun control advocates are voicing concern over 3D printed firearms, citing traceability and detectability. While gun industry experts say that the printers are very expensive, the firearms aren't durable, and citizens have been making home assembled guns for ages.
This video from the ATF shows how a plastic firearm disintegrated into pieces after one round was fired. David Stillwell works on guns for a living and says the 3D models aren't practical and doubts they'll be popular.
And it's super uncomfortable to shoot. It's going to be painful to shoot. It's going to be expensive, and it's going to be inaccurate.
He explains making a homemade plastic gun is within your rights.
My personal property is not in the stream of commerce. That's not a loophole. That's called personal property. That's a right to own your own property. And you don't own it if you can't do with it what you deem necessary.
And the ability to assemble your own firearm using traditional materials and methods at home without a serial number isn't new.
Right now, it's less expensive to buy a gun, you know, whatever type of gun, than it is to build one. This is where the barrel goes in, right?
Stillwell sells a do-it-yourself option like this receiver that's 80% complete. But he educates buyers about how and when a piece of metal becomes a gun.
More one hole and all the weight of the law applies.
A coalition of gun control groups filed an appeal Thursday in federal court to block the recent Trump administration's ruling that allows the Texas-based company to post blueprints online for creating a 3D printed firearm. Guys, we'll send it back to you.
New era. Thank you, Brittany.